Welcome back, guys. This is another video on money making online. This payment is the proof. You can see is 2nd December 2019. I received my first payment is £7.44, which is after fees I got £6.78. So you can make money like that, but this is my first payment. But if you see this conversion, you can see 5 and 5, this get paid, and I have a 10 and a 10. Now my promotion working better, get more traffic and more people buying it, and I'm making commission. By that time you understand, yes, it is an affiliate marketing, but it's not like other affiliate marketing. I will talk about what website I did it and how much money you can make and how you can set it up. This is an autopilot method. Once you set it up, you can make money like this, and you can get your money like this in your PayPal account every single day. So in a way you can make £6.78 or $7 or $10 every single day on autopilot without doing any work. Once you set it up, it will generate income all over the years, guys. So before we get in the video, again, if you really like my video, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to like my video. And this is my own result, my own experience, and the way I set it up I will explain it to you guys. So if you want to do the same method, you can do it, or you can do it in different way. If you want, I will show the website and everything. The website I'm talk about is called SPRIZZY. So continue, watch the video, don't just go to the SPRIZZY and do the work, but do what I did and you can convert. Well, I will tell the reason why my method is working. SPRIZZY is a platform that you can pay to promote your video. It's like a paid advertisement, like a YouTube advertisement advert that you can promote your video. So initial amount you need to pay is $25 in order to promote your video. This is one of my video I promoted that got received around 1,100 views and around 10 subscribers. Therefore I spent it $25. Now I promote the SPRIZZY to my viewers, but before that I use the SPRIZZY to understand if working or not. So when you come to affiliate marketing, just don't promote the product that you don't know or never used in your life, because if there's an issue with the product, or if there's a drawback or negatives that you don't know about it, if you promote and people buy it, and they're never going to trust your channel, your website. So that's the thing I tell you guys. If you have a little bit of money, use the SPRIZZY, because by you spending $25, you can get the views for your channels or your website, but mainly is YouTube channel, right? So you need to have a minimum $25 to invest in this site and to get money. Now you can ask me how you can make money in this website. So what I did, if you go to my YouTube channel, go all the back to 1 year ago, the video I published around January 29, 2019 is about SPRIZZY review, right? So what I did, I used the SPRIZZY and understand how they're working fine or not. Then I did the 9-minute review on my YouTube channel. Initially I didn't get any views at the beginning because my channel is small, but started a little bit late. Every single day the views started to grow. Now you can see I have around 4,700 views in this video. That video, what I did in the description, I put a affiliate link for my SPRIZZY. So this bit.ly link, so if I sign into my bit.ly account, I will show, or I can show you the how much traffic I can get it. So as you see my bit.ly link, the link I put in here, I showed in the link in SPRIZZY. You can see I've received around 103 total click, 99 from YouTube and email and SMS. That's a share, and the majority of views come from India, then United States, and South Africa. Now you see that link I put here, 103 click and 103 click converted. Here you can see people are clicking every single day now. They clicking a couple of clicks this month before that, and you see commission amount is 20 USD and one commission is pending approval. What do you mean pending approval? When the people click your link and they put $25 to promote their website, there's a couple of days they verify the sales. Many people don't go through the final section. So okay, so when they go through a final section and invest $25 on their ad budget, I'm gonna get 25% commission for that. That's why one is pending approval, and already I'm waiting for my payment for 20 USD. You can see it from a conversion here. This all payment I show you here is received, and these are the two payment I'm waiting. See, if this person and two persons invest $50 on the ad budget, I get $10 commission. That happened on April 23rd and April 28th. So guys, this is the idea. So instead you go to ClickBank or MaxFoundry to find the offers that you promote that already too much saturated, you can go and find the softwares and the website like this one and use it by yourself. You can get the free trial if you want, then use it by yourself, or spend a little bit of money and use it and make a review on your YouTube channel. You can publish the YouTube channel on your YouTube video on your website, or you can write a review on your website or social media, put the link, and any time in a month or in a year you can make a money. There's an autopilot. Why am I saying this is autopilot? Once you set it up your website or video, you're gonna make money every single time when a viewers click and purchase something. See, 4,700 views, that's not many views, but in 1 year with a small channel, 4,700 is big amount, and I get over 103 click, and I was able to convert some of them into sales. But by the time using is SPRIZZY, I just call my YouTube channel, I made a review about that. Now that SPRIZZY video on my channels is making money for me. So it is an autopilot method. So it's the best way to make money. But again, it won't replace your 9-to-5 job. But if you set it up, you can make money all the time, or in a passive way. So this is another way of affiliate marketing. So like I said guys, there's 100 of softwares online. You can go vVideo or Content Samurai, which I'm using and promoting, because these softwares pay you all the time when you click. Some of them pay you for the subscription. So when you sign up for the when you use click your link and sign up for the subscription, you get paid every single month from one sales alone. So go and do that instead of going ClickBank. ClickBank is better, but if we go through this website personally, the competition is very less. When I started to promote SPRIZZY, there's many people doesn't know about that SPRIZZY. Even there's no advertisement for the SPRIZZY on Google or YouTube. You can see the SPRIZZY advertisement now on YouTube, but in before there's nothing. So when I use it, I promote it. Now I'm getting commission every single month. So thanks guys for watching my video. If you really like my video, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release a new video. See you next one.